Hello traders, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Tuesday, February 14. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to update the chart of oil. This is a 60 minutes chart here. Now you can see from here we ended with 2 in the minor degree at $72.40. From there oil has rallied higher, so that means we are currently within wave 3 to the upside. And as you know, within wave 3, subdivision should be in a 5 waves. So from this low here, we have a wave 1 ended here. This is your wave 2, and then now it has continued higher again. So that means we are now within 1 of 3 here. So we got a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then now looking for a potential pullback in the wave 2 before higher again. Now of course if we go higher from here, let's say, then you simply just put the wave 2 here, and that means we already extend to the upside. Okay, but for now, as long as we stay above this wave 2 here, but even more important, stay above this one here, 70-40, we should be looking for further upside in oil. Okay, now zooming out a little bit, let me copy this wave 2 here. So this wave 2 is right here. So okay, so if this is your wave 2, that means and we are in the wave 3 on the upside. Again, let me copy this over into the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so if that's the case, then your wave 1 is here, and then because you know that wave 1 should be subdivided into 5 waves, that means this entire move up here is ending with 1, right? And then this is your wave 2 finish over here. So the starting point will be the December 2022, and this wave 1, let's say, is in a form of diagonal like this. You can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is your wave 2. Now starting the next leg up. Okay, now on some other possible alternates here. Let's say if the pullback gets bigger, let's say, right? It is possible. Remember, it is expected to go higher against 72.39. It's not against this one, but it's against this one. So let's say if it drops a little bit bigger, then you simply adjust the count. You're calling this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal. You got a bigger pullback in the wave 2, in, let's say, in 3 waves like this, and then it goes higher again. Okay, so that will be the alternate, but for now we're calling the more aggressive view. As you can see in the 1-hour chart, we're calling this to be 1, 2, 1, 2. If that's the case, then it shouldn't break below 76.4. If it breaks below here and gets a bigger pullback, then that means you just simply adjust the count, something like this. This is 1, this is 2, right? You downgrade this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then let's say if it got a bigger pullback, 1, 2, and then this is your 3, this is your 4, and this is your 5 of 1. And so that if that's the case, then you can get a bigger pullback, because then you will be correcting this entire rally from February this year, and then after that bigger correction, you can then continue higher again. Okay, so that's the update here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on oil or anything else, you can feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can find the link in the description of the YouTube video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.